Viewers, in our English course, Write Better, Speak Better, there is one section that is related to personal correspondence. Lesson 3 and Lesson 4. In Lesson 3, I talked about personal correspondence, that how you should write thank you letters, how you should like invitations, how you should like apology letters. In 4th, I talked about format of email. There's one point I wanted to mention separately in separate video related to personal correspondence, and that is that never ever write something negative. If you have negative emotions about someone, if you are getting angry on sometime, then never ever send something negative to him. Good writing is all the time positive writing. Let's say in certain situation it becomes important for you to mention something negative. Then in that scenario, try to not mention the exact person. Try, let's say you want to talk about some phenomena, somebody is doing something negative. Then if you want to write it, you do not need to mention his name. Let's say someone is floating fake news, so instead of highlighting that person in your email, you can write that there are these days fake news floating around, and this is something which is very bad. So this way you can write the personal correspondence to the other person, and you can say that something is bothering me, maybe I'm wrong. You have to mention in the email, in the correspondence letter. And the other thing is that whenever you write something negative about someone or any person, you have to think about it a lot. You have to once record it if you're recording a video, if you're sending an email, and then you think that should I send it or not. Personally, in my personal experience, during my professional 8 to 9 years experience in different companies, I have observed one thing, that whenever you say something negative, it can give you slight advantage for the time being, but it haunts you throughout your career. So this is what I wanted to share with you in a separate video, that never ever say something negative written against any person. So that's gonna hit you back. And let's say if you want to say something directly to someone, then better say it privately through email, and say it in such a way that you also have the positive side on that thing. You also mention that I can be wrong, so that will not hurt you in kind of a worst way. But if you all write negative things, then if you send someone some letter that I'm angry with you, you are doing this thing wrong way, you're doing that, never ever do that thing. That's what I wanted to share with you, that good writing is all the time good writing. It has some philosophy, it has some message. Thank you so much.